So we're going to handle here the event that we loaded, right? And who's going to handle it? We're not going to handle it, right? Our parent is going to handle it. The reducer is going to handle all the events and all the state management. We never do any of that. So we're gonna notify the reducer that through the props that we want to find all modules. I just loaded. Give me data, right? And we do that through where? The mapper over here, right? This is the only place that we know to notify the reducer. So this is find all modules, which is going to call the dispatch. Dispatch, we're going to call an object, right, whose action, whose type is that we want to find all modules, right? And we don't need an argument. So what does find all modules do? We're going to handle it right here. So it's the case find all modules. So by default, what it's going to do is just going to return. It's just going to return the same thing that we have right now: modules state.modules. It could just return just a state, you know, and that's how we're going to receive data. So we're back where we were. Nothing has changed, right? The only reason I'm doing this is that we can not because we added now an event handler. Because we added this event handler, we can now put here, we can intercept this event, right, and go out to the server and fetch this data, right? We want to be able to, you know, interject in here, right? And instead of being the hard-coded state.modules, I'm going to pass you the modules from the server in the action. I'm going to say action.modules. I'm going to pass them to you as follows, right? We can say the modules that are coming from the server is going to be some other modules, you know, with some other title, you know, some other module with some other ID, right? That coming from the server. That's, what is it? Find all modules. Find all modules. Did I call it right? Find all modules. Dispatch modules. Oh, okay. And then this would be action.modules. Whatever I pass you. There it is. Some other module. Make sense? All right. So first there was an initial state. Right, there was an initial state. Typically, that initial state would be that the modules is empty. It's not coming from the server. It's not coming from this hard-coded list. Instead, it's coming from the server. Right, when we handle the event of finding all modules that we go out to the server. So now let's go out actually to the server and fetch some modules. Right, so let's do that.